Trinc Studios.
Scene one, take one. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, it's Jefferson with Proactive Media Solutions here at Dream Suites. Listen, Milton Berle said, if opportunity does not knock...
Cut. First of all, it's not Dream Suites.
Okay, what is it?
It's the Dream Suite.
The Dream Suite, okay.
And I want to.
I need you to get away from me because I can't see her out
She
the
might
side of my
not
face.
even need to be in this commercial at
What's
this
wrong?
point. She gonna keep laughing. So remember he talked about the bloopers, man? How many bloopers we have?
We gotta be done by 4 o'clock.
Mr. Jefferson, why you just didn't bring your stage crew and just do this?
No, because I need to brand your personalities. This is your business.
No, I get that.
Yeah,
but
no, it's
and
your business.
So, are we in the shot while he's talking?
Correct.
So just smile. It doesn't hurt to smile.
I'm smiling. Are we gonna be looking at him while he's talking?
When he's talking, but then other times into the actual camera.
Like if we were having a normal conversation, you wouldn't do like this. Yeah, I hear
But you gotta give instructions though.
That's
you
what
haven't
that's
gave
what I'm doing.
But now, after we're about to roll into
What type of services you offer here?
Here we offer numerous of services.
Okay.
Okay, see, that's what I'm saying. Y'all got the wrong person. I don't know what a numerous is.
She was holding it for a while though.
Who, me?
No, she was holding it.
I was trying. Like, you see me though? Like, I was like, I'm not
We
gonna
gotta
break.
start.
Judge. Yeah.
What did you say? What did you say so I can say it now?
baby shower.
Oh, Lord, gosh.
Or just say, you know what? Say. Premier event studio. And we cater towards Sweet 16. Anniversaries, you get it.
What's wrong with you, man?
So funny.
Why would you even say that?
Me?
Him.
Scene 2.
Hold on, let her clean herself up.
I'm cool. Come on.
Scene 2, take
Now, who's
1.
answering the question?
I am.
Give me your first name.
My name is Ratasha.
Ratasha.
Or you can say Tasha. It doesn't matter.
Ratasha, I'm excited about the cornucopia of activities and things of that nature and services that you all offer here. What type of services do you all offer?
Well, here at the Dream Suite, we are a premier event space. We offer baby showers, Sweet 16. We cater to bachelorette, bachelor parties.
Come do that. Yeah. We do a lot of stuff here. We do a lot of stuff here. That's all I can tell you. We do a lot of
I
stuff.
cannot.
Scene 2, take 2, 3.
Are you cleaned up?
I think so.
Why would you look at this lady like that?
No, because I don't want her to be having teardrops on her face.
I was just fine.
I don't want this to look like a shelter.
Jesus.
Shalita.
Scene 2, take 2.
Shalita.
3, 2, 1, action.
Shalita, I am super excited about
You told me to smile.
I know, smile. Okay.
I'm smiling.
This. Yeah,
She probably did.
all right. All right.
Bro, I gotta make these fruit trays for y'all.
Come on, so Shalita. All right, you ready? But smile, definitely smile. But don't do it where you taunting me, though.
All right, let's go.
You but come on.
Scene 2, take 3, 2, 1, action.
Shalita,
Oh, no, y'all.
I got it. This.
Shalita intimidates you.
No, she doesn't intimidate me. It'll take a lot for that.
Okay.
No, she's trying to be funny is what she's doing.
I'm just
No, you.
Oh my Jesus. Okay.
Right.
Scene 2.
Come on.
Scene 2. Take
All right, here we go.
4.
Here we go.
4. Scene 2, take 4. 3, 2, 1. Action.
Shalita,
You say her. Do it.
cut it out.
It's so regular.
Cut it
and I'm
out.
just
You
trying
sit
to
there
let it be
looking like
natural.
Chucky.
Because I told him my uncle was judge. Now he over there.
All right, let's go.
Scene 2, take
Think about Big Mama. Think about Big Mama.
3, 2. Oh my goodness. 1.
Sway.
What's so
Hey, what the
funny?
fuck? I can't help it.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. This is it, Shalita.
Jefferson, get it together.
Let's go. No, I'm together. Let's go, Shalita. Let's go.
3.
Let's go.
What are y'all doing?
Let's go. Come on, we ready. Let's go.
2, 1. Action.
Shalita.
What are you doing?
Just
I
talk to
did
me.
not laugh. I did not laugh. She started laughing.
Like that, like
She started laughing.
Farmington Hills, Michigan, 48336.
Okay, and what's the phone number?
248-657-2500.
What's the phone number again?
248-657-2500.
Close it, Jeff.
Yeah. You kind of sound like Kermit on the first one.